Hello and welcome to another update on Amazon. Amazon is, probably currently caught in a correction. The idea is that here from the April low, the market rallied in what I consider just a three-wave move, probably an A wave to the upside, which topped here. Again, it's possible a more substantial price top has formed. Amazon has a pretty extended move to the upside, a pretty complete looking move actually. So it's entirely possible a very, very meaningful and substantial price top formed already. And that would be here in January. But I mean, that's possible. We would probably be in a larger sell-off then. That can take years. That's something that will happen, in my opinion, across the tech sector at some point. But for now, I just haven't seen that clear five-wave decline or that clear break of support, which would confirm that to me. So from that point of view, I still would prefer higher prices here also on the Amazon chart. And I'm open to the idea that we have topped, but honestly, also here, this last decline, it's only a three-wave move down, and we're already struggling to break below previous lows. So overall, I think there's a good chance of going higher still. In the very short term, I'm considering, however, that we might be working here on a B-wave pullback with key support at $175.23. So what we have here is an A-wave to the upside, a potential B-wave pullback that could be unfolding. I'm not convinced how this C-wave is currently unfolding. I see the potential of changing wave structures quite high because, let's be honest, what we're doing here at the moment is like a sideways consolidation. Might even be a triangle of sorts that's forming here. Please remember that B waves can be triangles. So it might turn into a triangle pattern in which, but again, if that's the case, the B wave does overshoot. And so it's already quite bullish. So again, I don't see the downside pressure as very high. But as long as we stay below resistance due to the context, it is entirely possible that we're forming this move down. However, it's not high confidence because the move down is not a five-wave move. That needs to be considered. But I think it counts very well as an A wave up, A, B, and then, had this move down been a five-wave move, it would be more clearly bearish. I mean, short term, and send us lower into the support area. Please note that this, even though I'm talking about short-term bearish, it would most likely just be part of a larger three-wave move down. And as long as we're holding $175, setting the stage for higher prices, any break above $236, well, that would indicate that either this B wave unfolded as a triangle, but we would need more price action for that, or the A wave gets one more upside extension. But if we get a deep pullback here, there might actually be a nice pullback trading opportunity. That's the update on Amazon. Hope you enjoyed the update. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.